Hey everyone, my name is Autumn. Welcome to my channel. Tonight I'm going to be doing a nighttime clean with me. So it's just going to be a very quick speed cleaning. I'm going to be doing some dishes, wipe down the counters, and clean out some cabinets. So I hope you like it. Enjoy!
Been waiting endless nights to get that call. Hung up on you. I wonder, do you ever think
is 8:30 on the dot. You can see that. There we go, 8:30 on the dot. And I felt pretty good. I got the dishwasher going, which you can hear in the background. It is very loud. Sink is clean, counters are wiped down. That cabinet that I've been wanting to clean is finally organized. Both things behind me, the stove and the microwave, are wiped off and cleaned down. The place did smell like tilapia, because that's what we had for dinner tonight. I'm so sorry, that's so loud. So it did smell a little wonky in here, but it is all clean. It smells like lavender now. It smells amazing. So all good. I'm gonna go shower now, and I will see you next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much. I hit 200 subscribers. I am now, I think, 218 last I checked. Thank you guys so much. I really can't believe within this past month I was able to get over 100 subs. I can't believe it. Thank you guys so much. So I will see you next video, and I hope you guys have a great evening. Bye.